Hello everyone, welcome to exercise 5 for Trick or Treat on CodeMonkey. In this video we're going to investigate how we can climb up the ladder when we get our pumpkins so we can get to some really difficult places in the game. So when the pumpkin disappears, the ladder should appear for the player to climb. It's like the Snakes and Ladders game. So let's look at the instructions, and it says, to show the ladder, we will add a function to the ladder's code. So make sure you're on the ladder, not on the pumpkin, not on your player, but on the ladder. And it says drag the first function block. So it's already opened up for us down here at the bottom, and it says objects functions, and there's lots of different things that we can choose, but we want just the first one. And it says replace the text for do something with enable climb. So we're going to type in just as it's written, capital E for enable, space, capital C for climb, and there we go. That looks pretty good. Oh, sorry about that. Now, it says drag the following blocks to place them inside. So we need a couple of purple blocks, right? Display blocks. And we can find enable and show. And we click check. Things are looking very good. And if we want to compare it to the example they have here pictured, looks like we have a match, right? And now we're up to the star instruction. It says we can call this function from the pumpkin's code. So when we want to turn on climbing, we're going to send this message over called enable climb. And we can go to the pumpkin. And now that we're clicked on the pumpkin to bring up its code, it says from the other objects functions. Each of the functions goes with its own sprite. So we don't want to make a function for the pumpkin. We want to call the function we made for the ladder. So under other objects functions, we can find the ladder.enable climb and connect it to the destroy block inside of the collision. So when we collide with the pumpkin, it's going to destroy the pumpkin and call on that function here, ladder.enable climb. And when we click check and then we click run to give it a test, we can run on over there and connect to our pumpkin to show the ladder. And then it says enable climb. All right, well, let's see what we do in exercise number 6 so we can actually use this ladder. All right, good luck, and leave a like if you're enjoying the content.